Have you ever searched for a simple yet effective way to trade using support and resistance? What if I told you that with just 2 free indicators, you could start profiting from various assets like gold or XAU USD, Forex, and even crypto? Hello everyone, welcome to the Forex Strategy Explorer channel. In this video, we will discuss a support and resistance strategy using one of the best support and resistance indicators on Tradingview. Not only is this strategy effective, but it's also very easy to use, even for beginners. We'll also show you an example of applying this strategy to gold or XAU USD trading on a 30-minute timeframe. But don't worry, this strategy is flexible and can also be used for other assets like Forex, crypto, stocks, and more. Don't forget to support this channel by liking and subscribing so you won't miss out on other top trading strategies. Let's get started. To use this support-resistance trading strategy, you can go to Tradingview. To make it easier to understand, let's standardize the pair we will use as an example. Set the pair to XAU USD. Then set the timeframe to 30 minutes. After that, go to the Indicator Search tab. In the Search tab, type Support Resistance Channel. Then, just select the Support Resistance Channel indicator from LonesomeThe Blue. After that, make a few adjustments to the Support Resistance Channel indicator. In the Input tab, change the number for pivot period to 5. Also, change the number for maximum number of support resistance to 3. Then, enable the checkboxes for MA1 and MA2. Next, change the number for MA1 to 20. And for the option, change it to EMA. Change the number for MA2 to 50, and for the option, change it to EMA. Then, go to the Style tab. In the Style section, change the color and line thickness of the EMA to your preference. Once done, simply click OK to save the changes. There are 2 uses of the Support Resistance Channels indicator that we can take advantage of. The first use of this indicator is to identify support and resistance areas in the market. The green areas are the support areas. If a rejection happens in this area, you will focus on finding the best point to place a buy order. Meanwhile, the red areas are resistance areas. If a rejection happens in this area, you will focus on finding the best point to place a sell order. The second use is as a trend guide in the market. If EMA 20 crosses above or stays above EMA 50, it is a sign of a bullish trend. If EMA 20 crosses below or stays below EMA 50, it is a sign of a bearish trend. To help us determine the best point to place an order, let's add the second indicator that we will use as a guide for placing orders in the market. Go to the Indicator Search tab and then type Range Filter Buy and Sell 5 minutes. Then, just select the Range Filter Buy and Sell 5-minute indicator by this creator. Now, make adjustments to the Range Filter Buy and Sell indicator. Go to the Input tab and then change the range multiplier to 1.5. After that, go to the Style tab. In the Style tab, remove the check marks for some options, leaving only Range Filter, Buy Signal, and Sell Signal. Then, adjust the colors of the Range Filter, Buy Signal, and Sell Signal to your preference. Once done, Simply click OK to confirm the changes. This range filter indicator will be used as a guide to determine the best points for placing buy and sell orders in the market. You only need to follow the signals that appear from this indicator. To clarify further, let's discuss how to place buy and sell orders using this support and resistance strategy. How to place a sell order. If EMA 20 crosses below or stays below EMA 50, it is a sign of a bearish trend. In this position, you will only look for the best point to place a sell order. Wait until the price candlestick tests the resistance area. After that, wait for a sell signal to appear from the range filter buy and sell indicator. Final confirmation: make sure the candlestick that forms is a bearish candlestick. Once all conditions are met, you can place a sell order after the bearish candlestick has closed. Place the stop loss just above the resistance line. Then, target the take profit using a risk and reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. How to place a buy order. If EMA 20 crosses above or stays above EMA 50, it is a sign of a bullish trend. In this position, you will only look for the best point to place a buy order. Wait until the price candlestick tests the support area. After that, wait for a buy signal to appear from the range filter buy and sell indicator. Final confirmation: make sure the candlestick that forms is a bullish candlestick. Once all conditions are met, you can place a buy order after the bullish candlestick has closed. Place the stop loss just below the support line. Then, target the take profit using a risk and reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. Always maintain your money management and trading psychology. Click like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. That's all, and see you in the next video.